What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, RJ Car Review. Sorry, I'm starting the video out like this with the camera on top of my head. Let's do a quick little recap. I'm running the BMR vertical links, which also is supposed to help eliminate wheel hop, reduce wheel hop. And I am now currently running the Steeda Irs Subframe brace. With both of them working together, I'm hoping that we should eliminate all wheel hop so we won't have to worry about wheel hop anymore. So let's take a quick ride and see if it made a difference. So let's do a cold start. Cold start time, cold start time. It's been a minute since I drove the car. It's been a while. Actually, you know what? I think it's been a month. So I'm just letting the car warm up first. My shoes is a little slippery from washing my wife's car. So foot is like slipping off the damn clutch. And of course, got no traction right now because the driveway was wet. So the tires are wet. So I gotta drive it around a little bit to warm the tire up one and kind of dry the tires out. Still got his pops, man. Still got his pops. Man, that's all stock pops. No tune for those pops. Alright, I think we're warming up. Alright, let's see what second gear feels like. Got his pulls, still feels good. She still feels good, We want to see what first gear feels like. So let's go first gear. Let's go first gear and see what first gear feels like. Usually when I just do this in first and catch second, that's when it does it. So let's see. Woo! Feels good. Feels good. Feels good, man. Feels good. Wow, you see that Mustang right there? Look at that dude. You got some ties on that. Got some ties on that car right there. Got some ties on that bad boy. So it feels good. Woohoo! You hear that bad boy? Oh, man. Wow. So basically, I don't feel any wheel hop right now. Nothing at all. Feels pretty good. Feels pretty solid. Usually when I launch it out of first gear, you feel the wheel hop, but right now I don't feel anything. Feels pretty solid. The squats and go. And that's what I've been looking for, is the squat and go, man. Car feels good. Feels pretty good. Let's see. Turn that traction off real quick and see what happens. I gotta be very careful because remember I got no tires, so gotta be careful. Woo. Feels good. Feels good. Damn, I miss it. Ah, man, I miss it, I miss it, I miss it, I miss it, I miss it. I miss it, boy. Damn, I miss it. Alright, let's pull over real quick and see. Just want to see another first gear. Let's just see what the car is going to do. So I'm going to be real careful because my tires is not really all that great, so be careful. Keep the car straight. Ooh. Car always feel like it wants to go sideways sometimes, obviously because my tires are shot. She want to get violent. Why is she so angry? Whew. Why is she so angry, man? Hear that thing? It's just pretty much just roasting the tires. Stock exhaust. Who comes up with this, man? In a Mustang, like stock exhaust sounds like that. That's insane. It's just insane, bro. Sounds insane, man. Stock exhaust. To get happy. Start to get happy feet. You want to go, should want to go side on me. Tires are shot. Tires are shot, man. Gotta be careful with this, man. Gotta be careful. But she feels good though. Up a hill. Gotta be careful with it, boy. Take her back home. Mishaps. Man. Good. All right, so quick rundown. I like the way the car feels. The Steeda Irs brace is doing what it's supposed to be doing, is helping out with the wheel hop. Just want to let you guys know again, I am running the BMR vertical links now with conjunction with the Steeda Irs Subframe brace. With both of those together, it is eliminating pretty much all the wheel hop. I didn't experience any kind of wheel hop. I definitely need tires. That's a must. The car is not getting any kind of traction. God damn, she's so pretty. But overall, I'm happy with it, and disappointed that I had to take off my BMR jack and rails. So Steeda do make a jack and rail that works with the Irs subframe brace, which is good. So I'm going to be looking to sell the jack and rails and purchase the Steeda jack and rails, so I could, so it could be easy for me to jack up the car. So like always, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, hit the bell notification so you guys be alerted when I upload all my videos. Please show me some love and support, man. I see you guys in the next video. Damn, yo, I just want to say something. The color contrast with the black and the red, yo, the car looks so mean, man. I love the way this car looks. Sorry if the wind is blowing, but damn, the car looks good, man. All right, guys, man, I see you guys in the next video. Peace.